So hello guys, how are you? I hope everyone will be very good. So guys, today is my English practice days, 8 8 days. So I continue today my English speaking again because last 2 days I was not continuous because some was reasons. So today I continue again my English conversation session. So today I will not discuss about today my daily routines because every day's routine not good ideas. So today I want to discuss about GATE examinations. So first of all, we want to know about what is GATE exam. So first of all, GATE means GATE aptitude test in engineering. So if I consider GATE stands, so in GATE's full form, it's right aptitude. So if you going to attempt GATE exam, it means guys your aptitude ability must be good level, must be in best level. So guys, now I want to discuss how should you start your preparations. If you are in first year student, second year students, third year student, and even you are in now first year students, in final you have already completed your graduation BTech degree. Now you can continue your preparation. So guys, if I say about GATE 2026, so in 2026 IIT Guwahati will be conducted exam of GATE. So if you want to start your preparations, you can start guys, because now you have currently approx 4 months 20 days, I means 140 days approx. So how to start your preparations, what should be your strategy? So guys, your strategy must be, if you want to start today your exam preparations after watching this video, you can start your preparations from first. Take any subject. If you are good in those subject, you study in your college and you think it is, I can understand everything, since which subject is in good level, as like maybe your C programming, data structure algorithm may be in good condition, maybe your but one thing I want to share you guys, if you start in a side core subject but every day prepares for non-technical subject as like mathematics and general aptitude, because general aptitude asks in GATE examination 15 marks. So 15 marks is very important guys. And engineering, if I talk about engineering mathematics, so in engineering mathematics question ask 7 marks, and discrete mathematics 7 to 8 marks. So mathematics and aptitude parts 50, total 30 marks asked, total 30 marks weightage. So you can prepare with core subject parallelly. You can prepare engineering mathematics and discrete mathematics and general aptitude, because you have 4.5 months. So what according to me, what should be your subject sequence? So I want to say you guys, you can start your preparations with digital electronics, because digital electronics is a part where if you will study digital electronics, then you you have helps in say subject of C programming, because there also use a binary number, some binary number, and how to implement number systems, etc. Logic gates and logic gates. So definitely it will be help in C programming. It will also help in computer organization architecture. So you start from digital electronics because it is the easiest subject. After digital electronics, you complete you should complete see, after digital electronics you can start operating system, computer organization architecture, C program, data share algorithm, but you don't have more time, so you can say study selective way. So you can watch videos of Ankit Doila sir, one YouTube channel you can find. So each and every topic say discuss which is important. So guys, those things was according this. But guys, if I talk about me, so I make this week's a plan. In this weeks I will complete, I promise with itself, I will complete say DBMS and say discrete mathematics, because I already studied DBMS parts normalization, functional normalization, and say transition concurrency. In transition concurrency I have done say three videos, three lecture, but remaining lecture was four lecture. So now I complete say lecture number till lecture number 5, because I covers in transition concurrency till say cascadeless cascading, and say I only left the parts of topics of 2PL transitions protocols, because I think it's not important lot of. So if I have time in the last time, then I will cover. Otherwise, it will be left. It topics will left. That is my plan, and I already study query language, but I want to revise. I will revise next day, but I don't think say in this week say I will cover each and everything, but I will try, because each and every day I watch, I did not use my time very effective way. I lax. So that is reason I could not able to achieve my goals. So guys, I want to try, I would like to try my best level for cover my targets in next day. So that was reason I was inconsistency 2 days from 2 days. But I think today no, I will speak English today, and I will not share today's our daily routine, but today I will share something extra. But don't worry guys, but one things I want to also share, because it is the English conversation. So I want to share what is cover in my studies today, because if it will I discuss, then it will also help for me what done today. So guys, today I will done, I start my study. I am just going for my study. I don't want to share my daily things. So guys, if I say today I study, so I start my study approximately 11 a.m. and 11 to 12 a.m. I study a revise of formula, because I yesterday was give a test, and see I noticed from the yesterday's test three question was wrong, because I don't recall, I did not remember a formula. So that was reason I lack from this series. So I decide each and every day I revise formula 1 to 2 hours. So I revise formula, general aptitudes, all approx 60% formula I revise, and say also discuss about of concepts, and say how to work number system, how many number of zeros, how many number of fives. So those things I will discuss today. And after that, guys, after that I go for lunch, but I don't not share these points. So again I come to my study plan. So i came I come and I start my preparations of computer network. And guys, I am very happy because today I start in computer network a new chapter. So which new chapter? New chapter is routing table, and I study routing table since Ankit Dola sir teaches each and every concept. And guys, literally I want to say you, after class I feel very well because today's class I watch previous year questions. They ask two questions with common data with 2010, because routing tables he teach in very easiest way. He says just making a table, and say you can just use your aptitude ability, and you can solve these types of questions. So after that, after my taking class, I go for our dinner. Since again I came, and after coming I use my mobile phone. Since after that I start reading my class notes, and I revise computer networks lecture 1. And after that I revise because I already have watched videos of DBMS, view how to work view serial. With there is three conditions: first initial state, and final states, and right read conditions. So just I watch lecture. So after watching lecture, remaining thing was revised. So I revised each and every. Two class was pending, so I revised each and everything. And after revising I solved DPP questions of DBMS in transactions concurrency. And say I was attend approx before 1 month test series of GFG. So I attempt questions from there. And after that I am making these videos. But guys, I want to say you a disclaimer. So what type of disclaimer? So it is disclaimer, guys. I am practice English. So as you know, I upload these videos on YouTube. So my purpose of upload these videos on YouTube channel, just my improve English. And I have a platform, and I take a motivate for making these videos and practice my English because I want to upload videos on YouTube. So guys, in these videos, maybe mistakes in grammatical way, in sentence way, in word meaning. So if you notice it, please comment in my box where I am lacking, and so what can I do for improve my English conversations, and how is my speaking vocal cords. So each and everything you can suggest me. And guys, according to me, you can also practice this type of your English, because when you not speak, you cannot speak English. Because if you know Hindi, that's reason you start speaking English, sorry, Hindi. then you know Hindi. If you will not start speaking Hindi, then you could not able to speak Hindi. So guys, I want to again say you, just you must be need a start English conversation. So I want to give you more tips of how can you start English speaking. So guys, if you want to start your English conversation, so you can start from a small word. What things in your surrounding you start speaking Hindi, as like it is, I can say that it is sisa in Hindi, ena, but I am not say it's ena. I will say always it is mirrors. As like it is pen. As like it's a study table, a study plan. Receive, I can say that. So and whatever in your surrounding, just assume that it's a object, it's a pen, and you start conversations from pen. How can start conversations from pen? As like this time, hey pen, how are you? Now I speaks inside of pen. I'm good, and how are you? Now I speak. So I am also good, my dear pen. So how was today's day? So pen say, oh Rakesh, today's day my very well, because today you use me a lot of, because you start using me 10 11 a.m. and you use me till 1 p.m. So today's date my very good. So tell me about you. So I say pen. So okay pens you use today. So I want to more use tomorrow, because if you if I use you, you are happy. So I am also happy, because when I use you, you are happy. So if anyone happy for me, so I want to you use guys. So this time you can practice. So guys, now I want to end this session. I want to end this session. So guys, I want to request in this last videos, you are new in my YouTube channel, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can run the notification bell attempt notifications, and also like my videos and share your friends circles groups. And what can do guys, another you can share, and you can watch, and you can follow. It's not matter you share or not share, does not matter. You like or not, does not matter. You subscribe my channel or not, does not matter. But it's matter you are speak English, you practice or not. If you will practice, then my purpose of making these videos fulfill. Otherwise guys, does not matter. But okay.